this part 19, you guys. For you guys who are actually following. And jump up here. Okay, you guys. Here we go. Okay. Dang it. For some reason they always get me there. Okay. Here we go again. Okay, you guys. Take out these guys. Always remember to. You'll probably get killed. Okay. And don't forget that guy. Okay, we just pop that guy. Jump. 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 Okay. Okay, we've got them. Okay. two small guys first, then the big Mexican guy. Don't you guys? This mission, this ever may take a little while. Okay, jump, jump, jump. Okay, we're smoking them. Yeah, and here we go. Jump, 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 jump. And I'm still asking myself, what's up with the stupid Star Wars thing? Okay, I'm a big Star Wars fan and Star Trek, but the music just doesn't fit the mood. You go into the Old West, giving people red poison if you catch the meaning of that phrase, and they're playing some that belongs in a space movie. They're playing a soundtrack that belongs in sci-fi. This is clearly not. Now, maybe if it was in Galaxy Rangers, because that is a space waste, to be more exact, but still, now the music they're playing this segment actually fits. Okay, that was lucky. And we got woke all the way back up here. Derp, derp. Uh. Okay, I guess that's one way to keep this here. Is doing. Okay. This is Smallville signing off. Bye. We'll get that guy next time.